Welcome back. Welcome back.
For the month of May, this is what the bag looks like. This bag is kind of cute. I hope you can see the detail in the bag. This bag, okay, usually I keep the bags that come every month because I can put stuff inside of them. But I don't know, like, if you guys can see, I hope you guys can see that it's like glitter flakes that are coming off of here, and I don't like that because that means glitter is going to get everywhere, which it is right now. So this might be one of those bags that I give away or I just don't even use because the glitter is coming off, and I don't like that. But this, for the most part, this bag is, it's okay. I always have these little cards in there. So that's what came in this box, in the bag this month. So the first thing that I received that I can get out of here if I can. Oh, okay. Is the I have I have a makeup brush, and this is, let me see. This is the Miss Glam SS57 blending brush. And this is kind of cute. It has, let me open it for you guys. Ooh. Okay, so this is the brush. Super cute. It has these rhinestones right here. And it has like chunky glitter made into the handle. The same color as the bristles. So that's pretty cute. Okay. Okay, I like their brushes. Okay. Yes. It's by Estate Cosmetics, and it's eye shade in Shmoney. Okay. So let's see what's in here. It is hard to open these things up. Okay. We were off to a good start, okay? We were off to a very, very, very good start. But I cannot. Look, it's okay. I don't even want to even do this one, like, look at this. I just want you guys to see. I am not crazy. Okay? Now, I don't have a thing against the color green. But why must they keep putting green eyeshadows? Why must they keep putting green eyeshadows in every bag for me? Like, why? I mean, I had a green eyeshadow last month. I think the month before I had a green eyeshadow, and it's just like, okay, I have enough. And it's always the same shimmer. Like, it's like a shimmer green. Like, okay, so the next thing that I have is this. Let me see. Okay, so the next thing that I have is the R Plus Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Okay, so this is supposed to, this is for your hair. It says to tame, fly away, smooth a dime size amount into damp hair from mid shaft to ends, and blow dry or air dry hair. Oh, so this is really for your hair. Oh, this smells nice. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it does feel like lotion. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, okay, I could see how. Oh, okay, so it went on like a lotion, and then it kind of like dries, like, I don't know, like maybe like a mousse or something type, because it feels a little tacky. So yeah, I mean, it could be. I mean, this could work. I'll see if I like it. Let's see what the next thing that we have. Okay, we have the next thing that we have. Okay, so the next thing that we have is this Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Versailles. So this is a liquid lipstick. So the last thing we have is this. And this is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in 42.5 Warm Deep. Okay. This is a nice little thing too. You see how it... Usually they just give you the little individual thing, but this is... Oh. Look how small this is. I'm going to show you guys. This is the little hair lotion stuff, and then this is the concealer. Like, why is it so small? So this is what it looks like. It's very small, and oh, this is dark. This is very dark. I don't even think this would even, let me see. I don't know. I'm really trying to put it on just to see if it shows. I don't even see it. Let's see. Because I got some acne spots right here. Let's see. Okay, it could hide something, but I think this is too... This is a small amount, but let me see. Because I don't really see it hiding anything unless it's just my camera. Oh no, it's dark. I think this might be too dark. I definitely wouldn't be able to highlight with this, which is what I really use concealer for. But let me see. I mean, for if y'all used it for, if I was to use it for what it's supposed to be for, then yeah. But I wouldn't use this under my eyes. It's too dark. But I use it to hide my little acne scars though. My favorites are the SL Miss Glam shader brush, blending brush, and this smells pretty good. I'll try this out, and that's about it. I would say this would be 2. You could throw this one in there. This one is cool, even though it's very, very small. But that ends this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the fam, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Until next video, you guys. Bye.